Go.
Hi everyone, it's me, William Bermeo, of my little sister Mia Bermeo. We're going to explode a watermelon. Okay. So, Mom, do you want to be in the video?
Okay. What do you need from me?
Help.
Hi everyone, I'm William's mom.
Say Veronica Bermeo.
Veronica Bermeo.
Okay.
It's gonna be a long process.
Yes.
And I hope I don't break a nail. Is it gonna explode pretty soon?
It's going to explode at any time. Okay?
Any time now?
No, when we put a lot of rubber bands.
Is there a certain way the rubber bands have to go?
Yes. Mom, tell me.
So look, I'm helping you guys. Look, so there you go. Open like this. And the rubber band has to go different directions.
Okay.
Careful that it doesn't snap back at you because it would make it a funny video.
Yes. Cheese.
Cheese.
No.
Well, we should have counted how many rubber bands we're putting.
That's right.
We should have, but I mean.
To know how much rubber bands that you need to do it.
This is our test watermelon. He has a much bigger one, but because we don't know what to expect, we're doing a test watermelon.
Ooh.
How did you come up with this idea, William?
Because I watched it on that19.com.
On .19.com?
Yeah. That19.com.
.19.com.
You mean that?
Oh, that.
Hi, Dad.
Hi. Okay. And who gave you a watermelon? Who's sponsoring this video?
You.
Who gave you the watermelon and the rubber bands?
The butterfly
Okay.
gave.
You can have a seat because I'm not sure if the video can see you. Who did?
Dear butterfly.
Thank you, Tia Butterfly.
Thank you, dear butterfly. And this video is just for you.
And this video is just for you. Have a seat because I don't know if the camera can see you.
I think it's going to explode at any minute.
Any minute now?
Later. I think later. No. It is. Because we're putting a lot of rubber bands.
How many hours do you think we're going to be out here doing this?
I don't know. We have to go away when it explodes.
Hopefully we'll know when it's going to explode.
It's just the watermelon.
Oh. I'm not the most creative person, but Mom, I'm not sure which way we should go or which direction. I think we should just
do it all. I think it's going to explode at any hour.
An hour. I just hope I'm not going to have to wash my hair after this experiment.
Me too. We have to go away when it explodes.
Okay, be careful with the rubber bands. They shoot back, okay?
Okay. Mama, right too, huh? Hi, Dad. Dad. When you come back, huh?
Okay.
Say hi, my dad. So Mia
Go say hi to your dad.
is going to say hi to Dad. On this video, okay?
Okay.
Okay, dear butterfly, and everyone that I know, and those weirdos, don't watch it.
And those weirdos, don't watch it.
Because it's fun.
Oh,
That's fire! Let's try it. Fun slide.
What time do you think this is going to explode? Because I'm getting tired of being on my knees.
Okay.
I'm just going to pull up a chair.
William Bermeo Fun Slide.
I'm not going to lie. I'm a little excited to be doing this.
Yes, and you would. Mom, tell me. Want to know how much would the bands it takes? Thank you, people.
Thank you, Tia Butterfly.
Thank you, buy Raven house birthday.
And thank you, Raven, for having us over to your house for your birthday on your birthday.
Okay.
Imagine if we were using the bigger watermelon, how much work that would be.
Yes. Thank you, yes. Baby.
Right?
Yes, right.
So keep going. I'm just going to check something. Good job.
I feel like it's getting tighter.
You feel like it's getting tighter?
Yes.
Well, I can't wait for it to explode. I might have a whole mouthful of watermelon.
Yeah! Yeah, and it would be all over the ground.
All over the ground.
And it would be on top of the house.
On top of the house?
It would.
That would be epic.
Yes. Yes. And that would be cool.
And cool. Wait, Mia's turn to put one. Mia's turn to put one. That way. Good job.
No, my turn.
No, Mia's Will's turn.
My turn now. Ow. Now my turn? Not yet. Now my turn?
No, it's still Will's turn. He hasn't put one down.
Oh, no.
Careful, Mia. Hold on.
Not your turn.
Good job. Maybe you shouldn't put your face too close to it so it doesn't snap back. Okay?
Now my turn?
Yes.
Yes. We said to move it, right?
Good job, Mia.
Now my turn. Now move the watermelon.
Here's what our watermelon looks like right now.
When is it going to explode?
Maybe we have to have a lot of more rubber bands on it.
I think we need all of it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, only.
Well, I'm glad we did homework first.
Yes. Before we do the experiment.
Before our experiment. No face, okay? Don't put your face. I'm here to help. If you can't do it, let me know. I don't have the best working hands right now.
No! My mom!
But I can help.
Yes. And she's the best mom there is.
I am the best mom there is.
In the whole wide world.
In the whole wide world.
Mom? For my aunt. My mommy. Mom, I love you.
And I love you, Will.
You too, mine.
I'm yours too. Okay, so maybe we have to start trying to get it here. Oh Lord, let's go this way. Kind of like we're making a ball, I guess.
No, it's not when it's going to explode.
I don't know either.
I think we need all.
It might take too many rubber bands.
Like my dad said.
Like your dad said.
Now my turn. Now my turn. Now my turn. Now my turn.
Yes, it will be your turn right now.
No turn to that.
Whoa! 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 No crying.
Oh, the video will be ruined. Yeah. And I want
We gotta be careful.
awesome.
We should have worn goggles.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Mia's turn.
Right?
Okay.
Yeah. The video compares goggles.
Ouch. Good girl. Good girl.
Now my turn.
Okay, Will's turn.
Mom. Mom, what is that right over there?
That is a jet.
How do you know?
Because it looks like one.
Oh, no, Missy.
You don't want to see?
No. It's a jet. Like a jetpack.
Like a jetpack.
Not my phone. I didn't put mine on yet. Now? You down? Yes. Now my turn. No. Almost.
I must say I'm pretty excited about this experiment that we're doing here.
Yes, right.